Hello guys, today I'm going to be teaching you a simple breakout strategy that has made me a lot of money. So in this video, you can see on this 15-minute chart, each time we have a break of consolidation with this big candle, usually these candles are institution candles, we play a buy, and after the buy, you discover that the price keep on going up. So you just wait for a consolidation, then wait for a break of the wick of the consolidation as marked that you are seeing. Wait and place your buy. Immediately price will start going up. So let's look for another breakout. So this is another breakout here. Yeah, spot another breakout. So I'm going to mark it. So now we have the break with a very huge candle. This candle represents either institution or banks, individual institution or bank, and you want to roll with the institution or banks. By the time they buy, you also buy with them, and that is the breakout. And once they buy, you buy with them, the price start going up. Let's look for another breakout, guys. This is a very simple strategy that has worked for me a lot of time, and I've made a lot of money using this strategy. So we spot another breakout, a huge breakout. We mark out the breakout. Make sure the candle break above the wick of the consolidation. Once it breaks above the wick of consolidation and it stays above it, price stays above the wick, place your buy and immediately the price will start going up. This strategy is very simple and it's going to make you a lot of money. Now we also spot another one. So you mark the breakout. So you see me here marking the breakout. You see the huge candle breaking out of this consolidation, breaking out of the wick of the consolidation, and immediately we place a buy, then this price start going up. So it's a very simple strategy that works. Here is another breakout. So I'm going to mark it now. I'm going to mark it, and you will see after the breakout, after the huge candle breakout and price stay above the wick. Look at this wick. The price stay above it and immediately price start going up. Please always make sure that the breakout stay above the consolidation and the wick of the consolidation before you place your buy. So let's go look for another breakout. Yeah, this is another breakout, a huge breakout from an institution candle. Then a buy is placed and immediately price start going up. Immediately the price break the consolidation, price start going up. This is another breakout spotted. So we have another breakout here, a huge breakout of the consolidation, price stay above it and immediately price start going up. Please always ensure that the breakout is sustained above the consolidation, especially the wick of the consolidation. The price will start going up. This trick is very simple and it's making me a lot of money. Here is another breakout spotted. So there's a huge candle breakout, then immediately price start going up. Just look as simple as it is. You can make a lot of money from this. Very simple. You don't need to, even if you're a beginner, it's something you can do. But that doesn't mean that you shouldn't learn more about forex trading. So we spot another breakout here again. a huge candle breakout. This is a full body candle breakout of the consolidation, and immediately price start going up. This is another breakout. You can see it maxed out from the consolidation, and immediately price start going up. This, thank you guys.